Hello guys, in today's video, we are going to check out the best laptop for Photoshop in the market for this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list based on price, quality, durability, and more, to see the price and find out the best one for you. For more information, you can check out the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe, up-to-date latest technology reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio. Firstly, we're taking a closer look at the Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio, the powerhouse creating quite a buzz in the creative community when it comes to Photoshop. This laptop truly shines. Its stunning display boasts impressive color, accuracy, and sharpness, bringing your designs to life like never before. With its powerful processor and ample RAM, it effortlessly handles complex editing tasks and multi-layered compositions, ensuring a smooth and lag-free experience. The convertible design is a game-changer, allowing you to transition between laptop and tablet mode for maximum flexibility seamlessly. However, one slight drawback is its relatively shorter battery life, so keep that charger handy. Overall, the Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio is a top-notch choice for Photoshop fans, empowering you to push the boundaries of your creativity with its exceptional performance and versatility. Number 4. ACER Aspire 5 Slim. Now, here goes the ACER Aspire 5 Slim laptop and its prowess as a powerful tool for Photoshop enthusiasts. Let me tell you, this laptop packs a punch. Its high-performance AMD Ryzen 3 3200 new processor and 128GB SSD ensures smooth multitasking even when multiple complex Photoshop projects run simultaneously. The vibrant and crisp display of 15.6 inches is a visual treat, offering accurate color reproduction that's crucial for editing and retouching. The lightweight design makes it convenient for on-the-go creativity, while the long battery life keeps you unplugged for hours of editing bliss. Yet again, there's the elephant in the room. The one drawback? For some, the storage capacity falls a bit short, so be prepared to manage your files wisely. Nonetheless, the ACER Aspire 5 Slim laptop proves to be an excellent companion for unleashing your Photoshop skills. Number 3. ASUS ZenBook Pro 14 Duo. Thirdly, here's ASUS ZenBook Pro 14 Duo laptop through Jam for all you Photoshop enthusiasts out there. This sleek powerhouse offers a stunning 14.5-inch touchscreen display and a secondary 12.6-inch screen pad, plus providing an immersive multitasking experience like no other. When it comes to Photoshop, the ZenBook Pro Duo 14 truly shines. Its powerful Intel Core i7 processor and ample RAM ensure seamless performance, effortlessly handling complex editing tasks and running multiple Photoshop while simultaneously. The vibrant OLED display delivers stunning color accuracy, making every detail pop with precision. One downside worth mentioning is the laptop's high price. While it's decent for general usage and used by many Photoshop enthusiasts, you might want to have some money aside for purchasing it. Also, it's always a good idea to have your charger handy for a lengthier editing marathons. Number 2. Dell XPS 179720. The Dell XPS 179720 is a laptop worth mentioning, and that's because it has been making waves. In the world of Photoshop, this powerhouse is a dream come true for digital artists and photographers alike. The 17-inch display offers stunning visuals, allowing you to see every detail of your masterpieces. With its robust Intel Core i9 12900 Hong Kong dollars processor, this laptop handles Photoshop like a champ, effortlessly running multiple layers and complex editing tasks. The color accuracy is spot on, ensuring your desires come to life with precision. The sleek design, a lightweight build, make it a portable companion for creative professionals on the go. However, one minor drawback is the limited battery life, so keep that charger handy. Number 1. LENOVO IDEAPAD 3 14-inch. Last but not least, here's the LENOVO IDEAPAD 314-inch laptop. A hidden gem that shines brightly for Photoshop enthusiasts. This laptop packs a punch when it comes to handling graphics-intensive tasks. The powerful AMD Ryzen 5 3500 new processor and ample RAM ensure smooth multitasking, allowing you to effortlessly edit, retouch, and manipulate images. With these, the vibrant 14-inch display offers accurate color reproduction essential for precise editing. The lightweight design makes it portable and ideal for on-the-go creativity. However, while it offers a vibrant and visually appealing display, it may not be as color accurate as some other high-end laptops. Nevertheless, if you're seeking a budget-friendly option that delivers exceptional Photoshop capabilities, the Lenovo IDEAPAD 314-inch is definitely worth considering. And that wraps up our deep dive into the best laptops for Photoshop by creative friends. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and helped you make an informed decision.